Today's move looks like this. Yes. There's a lot happening here because we're doing a thumb roll and a behind the back. Then we're doing an over the shoulder with the shaker, and we're gonna grab the bottle in the correct position for the next part. The bottle's gonna come over, it's gonna go inside the shaker like this. It's gonna come around, and I'm gonna throw it across, over like this. Stick my elbows up in the air, it's very awkward. From there, I'm gonna grab in this position, bring it to the side, stretch out the paw, cut it off, and that is the whole move. Gonna start like this. Shaker near the base. You're gonna be doing a thumb roll up with the shaker, all right? Bottle on the body of the bottle. Now, the trick here is you wanna create the illusion that the shaker is spinning this way, but traveling that way. So you're doing a thumb roll from this position, but moving your hand forward. It's quite tricky, but after a while, you'll be able to get it nice and smooth and sexy. The bottle is coming over your shoulder, behind the back, bang, and catching in this position. Look how my body is turning. I'm gonna turn my body. So thumb roll and behind the back at the same time. The bottle goes over the arm, the shaker is here, look, bang, all right? So one more time, thumb roll, behind the back. Now from there, I'm throwing the shaker over my shoulder, and then I'm just gonna pass the bottle to my other hand. Over the shoulder, pass. Holding the bottle in tennis grab and the shaker in beer grab, I'm gonna step back to face the audience. At the same time, I'm swinging that bottle around, bringing it inside the shaker, flicking it up, throwing it up to catch there. Paw stretch down. Thank you very much. Let's do it one more time. Boom, bam, yes. Here we go, paw down. Ladies and gents, boys and girls, that is this week's 3-Minute Thursday, the something to paw. Let me know what you think I should call this move. Also let me know which move you would like me to teach on another episode of 3-Minute Thursday. Thank you so much for watching. Until next week, see you then.